may naka-recognize na ito yung mission namin and they jumped on it. And we're really doing it pa din. Even not just our recipe, but other Chinese families' recipes. Ever since yung story nag-come out, madami talagang nakadiscover sa amin din.
Minsan na nasa labas ako, inahay ako. Ikaw pang China, mami. Tapos napapicture parang ako artista, nakakahiya.
Yung mga same suki na nakita nyo sa video, same pa din sila din, tuwang-tuwa, di ba? It helped reinforce din yung brand. Nakita nila yung yung hard work that goes behind each dish. Merong isang family, they have a recipe, heirloom recipe nila, which is yung diok pithe. Sabi nila, parang, can we collaborate? We'll share with you to keep the tradition alive. And we tasted it and sobrang swak na parang homemade version of that. Now, we offer it in our menu and it's pretty popular. So we're very happy with that. Yung public eatery in Robinson's Magnolia invited us to do a pop-up and we're there till January. Maraming mga mall owner, they've been reaching out for us to open. When we started doing this, it was really more for my mom doing what she loves. But to know na may impact yun sa mas madaming tao pa, nakaka-fulfill talaga, nakaka-touch. So thank you very much.